In this video, we are going to fix Microsoft Store error code 0x90072f8f. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first solution that you can do is that you need to reset the Microsoft Store application. So navigate here at the bottom search bar, type for Store. Then you need to wait until you can see a best match, which is the Microsoft Store application. Once you have seen it, navigate under the best match, make a right click, and wait until you can see an option called App Settings. Once it's here, directly click on it and wait until you would be navigated to the app settings of this Microsoft Store. Now from that, please scroll down, click for Reset, click for Reset again, and wait until this procedure would be finished. And once you have done it, close the window, proceed to the next method, and that is to reinstall the Microsoft Store app. So please copy this command that I have given at the YouTube description and navigate here at the bottom search bar, type for PowerShell. Then wait until you can see a best match, which is the Windows PowerShell, and you need to run it as an administrator. So navigate at the right side and click for Run as Administrator. Click on it, and then wait until you can open a new window, which is the Windows PowerShell. And by that, you need to copy and paste the command that I have given. Control C, and then make a right click here to paste that and click on the Enter key in your keyboard and wait until the procedure would be finished. Okay? So that's it. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click or turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you and have a good day.